Hey everybody, Devin here with my week 3 check-in. Now is when it gets really exciting. We got the Leap Motion hooked up. So if you look at the screen, we got tons of new Leap Motion code in here. Really excited. Surprisingly, only about 150 lines of code, but made a lot of progress with that 150 lines. And if you know anything about JavaScript and especially CopyScript, 150 you can do a lot in 150 lines because it's very dense language. So I had a lot of fun here. Excited about what we're showing off. Last week we had a bit of a collision between a double-click gesture, which we wanted to show or a double-click action, which we wanted to show the details, but we also wanted a drag gesture to be able to lock down nodes, because when we could lock down nodes, then when we did the force layout, they would go ahead and not move. So what we went ahead and did was we added some leap motion activity. So I'll go ahead and show you that now. So here we see I have this new circle, which is reacting to the position of the leap motion, doing some cool 3D to 2D translation to get that working. And now this is kind of like my inspector. So if I want to go ahead and learn something about this student, I can key tap on top of that student, and we see that the same diagram comes up. Let's say I want to learn more about this student, I can key tap on that student and learn more about them. And their details come up. So a really easy way to navigate through the graph and find out details about the nodes that we're talking about. Like we can, for example, key tap on this professor, or we can key tap on this class and gain more information about the class. Unfortunately, the leap motion is a little finicky for doing kind of precise movement, but still, it's pretty impressive what we can get out of the leap motion. I've been constantly surprised about its performance, especially under kind of cool conditions like this. So not a huge update this week, but really cool that we can start navigating our graphs in kind of an innovative way, and excited to be using the leap motion. Next week, we're going to use the leap motion to actually switch in between the different types of graphs. So not only are we exploring the academic graph, but we can start exploring interest graphs and social graphs as well. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching this short but kind of cool because we got the leap motion working check-in.